All right, the casserole is out of the oven and it has been tested and it is delicious. It's really, you can't mess this up very easily. You really got to try. So I let it cook for about 35 minutes in a 350 oven. Then I sprinkled over some cheese, just whatever kind you like. And I put it back in the oven for about 2 minutes. Then I did run that under the broiler for about a minute. Again, to your taste. And I forgot to mention that I did spray the pan very lightly with, I just have a spray olive oil before I put everything in there. It can stick sometimes, but as long as your eggs set up, it should come away from the pan great. And it is delicious for breakfast and also for lunch or dinner with a side salad would be nice. I just ate mine out of a bowl standing here in my kitchen. Bon appetit.